What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to share with you an incredibly easy free traffic method you can use to start to get massive traffic promoting whatever product you want to promote online. Now you can see on the screen right here, this is actually an email that came in recently. It says, "Hello, Garrett. You've received a payment amount of $2,000. Okay, so using this method, you're going to be able to start to generate traffic. And if you have a high converting product you're promoting, there's no reason why you can't also start to generate affiliate commissions on a daily basis. Okay, so without further ado, let me go ahead and dive right into this video. Okay, so what you want to understand is if you go to a website called KillerPLR Articles, okay, now this website right here, basically it supplies you with thousands and thousands of articles that other people have written. Okay, now these articles cover tons and tons of different topics. So what you first want to do is you want to go to this website, okay, KillerPLRarticles.com. I'll actually include a link if you're watching this on YouTube in the description. Once you're on that website, you want to go to Browse Categories, okay? Now what that's going to do is that's going to take you to tons of different categories of articles. Now, what is PLR articles? What does that mean? Well, PLR basically stands for private label rights. And what that means is, specifically with this website, all of these articles are copyright free and you're able to use them how you will, okay, however you wish, okay? So this is actually tying directly in to this incredibly powerful free traffic method, as you'll see as you continue to watch this entire video, okay? So no matter what product you're actually promoting, it's going to be in a certain niche, okay? So it's going to be in a certain topic. So maybe you're promoting a product that has to do with arts and entertainment or business and economy, food and beverage, right? It really doesn't matter. You know, maybe you went to clickbank.com or JVZoo, or maybe you're promoting an independent affiliate program. It's going to be in a certain niche, okay? So whatever it is, you want to open up that category, okay? So you can even drill deeper. So food and beverage, maybe it has to do with coffee. Well, you can actually open that up, okay? And you can look at private label rights articles that other people have written that have to do with coffee, okay? So the opportunities are endless. But let's say, you know, business and economy for the sake of this video. Now let's say small business, okay? Let's say you were targeting, or home-based business, okay? Let's say you're targeting home-based business. You could open that up, and again, there's all these different articles, okay? Now it tells you how many words. So this says 439 words. This says 661, okay? You want to look for at least 300 words for this method, as you'll see in a second, which is incredibly powerful. So you just want to look over, and any of the articles is really fine, you know, because it's going to have to do with the product. But let's say, you know, this one right here, I like this one. What I would do is I would open up this article, okay? And you want to pay very, very close attention because this is incredibly powerful. So when you open this article, now again, this article is completely, you know, free to use, right? It's free and it's copyright free, so you can actually just use this. But you don't want to just directly copy and use this article for this method, as you'll see in a second. What you want to do is you want to copy, okay, this article like this, okay? So you can actually, now right here, I do want to share that if you're logged in, which, you know, it's free to actually, you know, create an account, you'll get the full article, okay? But just for this video and training, let's assume that I copied the entire article, okay? All you want to do is you want to copy this. Now we want to head over to a website that's going to make this article unique, okay? Because when it comes to posting these articles to drive massive free traffic, as again, you'll see as you keep watching, we want to change this article. Now, going through and editing this article would be very tedious, very long and boring. So we can actually use a totally free, little known site to change this article for us with a click of a button, okay? So if I go over to a website called spinbot.com, and again, the link will be in the description, I can actually paste this entire article, okay, in this box. Now, what this article does, or what this website does, is it basically spins these words, okay? What does that mean? It basically will go through and it will change, okay? So, for example, let's say it says, maybe you had an idea. It may change to say, maybe you had a thought, right? So it's going to make it new. It's going to change the words so the article is a fresh and new article that you can use totally unique on Google and other places, as you'll see. So we just want to go, I am human. Okay, go ahead and select that. It may have a CAPTCHA. Okay, so I have to select the trains. I believe they're all trains virtually. Okay, boom, and then go. Now, once we do that, again, it's going to take a little bit of time because it's going through and spinning. Okay, you can see right here. So have you ever had a really great idea? Have you ever at any point had a truly extraordinary thought? Okay, see, so it's literally a brand new article, and you can do this over and over again with different articles, right? This website has tons and tons of articles. So now once we have the rewritten text, we want to copy this. Okay, we want to copy this right here. And now what we want to do is head over to another website, because sometimes, this is working with a robot that's basically spinning it. Sometimes you will have grammar issues. You will have a little bit of spelling issues. So what we want to do is we want to copy this. We want to go to another website called paperrater.com. Okay, again, totally free site. It's going to be a link directly below. You can click use now for free. That will take you to this page. And what it's going to do is going to analyze. Okay, when we paste that article in there, it's going to analyze the errors, okay, if there's any spelling, grammar errors. So select the education level of this paper's author. So what we can do is we can choose anywhere from first to about 5th grade, okay, because it's going to be a pretty basic article. I'll do 3rd grade. Select the type of paper you're submitting. This doesn't really matter, okay, so you can choose really anything. I'll do business correspondence, and that's fine too. I've read the terms. And then now what we want to do is go to get report. Okay, and that's going to take a little bit of time. It's going through the article. And again, it's making sure that it's readable. It's making sure that it makes sense for someone. So it's very important that you actually submit that and you wait. Okay, so it's parsing the text. And again, this is very, very crucial to this method. So now it's gone through right there. Okay, and now we can actually click this and we can go to spelling. Okay, so it's showing that this right here is possibly an error. Okay, so if I go to next, you can go through and you can actually check the different errors. Okay, but for example, this one right here, if I go to spelling, okay, if I actually click that, now it's going to share where that spelling error is, and I can actually edit that. Okay, you can go to grammar. So if the grammar isn't great, I can click that. Okay, and it's going to show like is realizing, thought in motion is realizing that you might, so you can actually, just edit that, right? Set your thought in motion and realize that you might have done it, blah, 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 right? So again, you can go through, just do these little checks, okay? They're very, very quick and easy. And once you do that, now we have an article that's not only about the niche and product we're going to be wanting traffic for. It's spun, okay, using this tool. Remember, we're going to go here and spin it. So it's a fresh and new article. And now using paperrater.com, it's spell proofed, it's grammar proofed, and it's good to go. Okay. So now that we have this product, or this article rather, to promote our products, what we want to do is we want to copy this article, okay. And really the last main step is we want to go to some different sites, and now we want to start pasting this article that's going to get discovered by other people looking for solutions for their problem. And then we're going to link to our capture page, to our website, to our affiliate sales page, so we can start to get traffic passively for months, if not years to come, okay? So the first site that I like to use is called Hub Pages. Okay, Hub Pages right here. Now I created a new profile for the sake of this training. Okay, but you can go to Hub Pages. You can actually create a free account, and then you can just go to write, and you can go ahead and put a title. Okay, so I can modify this title here, right? So I can go, is someone stealing your home business? Okay, so if I go here, I can put that as the title. The topic, okay, you can actually just choose one of the drop downs. You can go to basic and then continue. And now what you can do is you can start writing, okay, this article. So essentially, okay, you can edit this stuff. You can put this. Now this is the text, okay? So I can actually put in this article, this right here, okay? Boom. Now, what you want to do with these articles, though, is you don't just want to paste this text because you're not going to be getting any traffic to your website. At the very end, you can say something like, I hope you enjoyed this article. If you want to learn more about how to make money online or how to lose weight, whatever niche you're in, be sure to click this link and check out my #1 recommended way to do it today. Okay, or something like that. You just want to give a call to action. And then you can actually highlight this, okay? And I can put in my website, my capture page, or whatever I want, and then I could save this. Okay, so for example, I'll show you this. This is an affiliate link, whatever, save, boom. Now it's highlighted. I save this, and that's the article. Okay, and then I can literally just go down and I can post this. Okay, that's it, right? I can go to publish. That's it for this site. Okay, so if I copy this, okay, right here. Another site that I like besides Hub Pages is LinkedIn. Okay, if you have a LinkedIn account, or you can create a free one, you can actually go here. Okay, write article, and the process is very much the same. Okay, so I can put a headline here. Boom, I can paste in this article. Okay, and then I can just go to publish. Okay, so that, again, the headline, you can use a similar headline, doesn't really matter. Boom, and I could publish this. Okay, another site, right, is scoop.it. Okay, scoop.it. You just sign up here. Okay, you could sign up there, and then it's very, very much the same. You can sign up for free. You can publish your topic page with curated content in minutes. And again, the whole process is when we post these articles, which again, you can get endless articles on this website. Remember, browse categories, tons and tons of articles. You spin it so it's fresh and new. Okay, you proofread it, and then you go to these different sites, pasting it, giving a call to action to our website. Okay, and when you do that, what will happen is over time, people will find your article, they'll click your link, and you will get passive free traffic for a very, very long time. Okay, a lot of people use this method. I mean, up to years, they're still getting targeted traffic to their links. Another site is medium.com. Okay, so you can go to Medium, I can go to start writing. Okay, and again, I can literally just paste in this article, this title, and I can publish. And the last site, okay, is something called 𝐸zine.articles.com. Now, they have a membership, okay? You can join this if you want to take this further. 𝐸zine Articles gets tons of traffic to the website itself, and it will trickle down to your articles. And again, you can submit high quality original articles. And again, you don't have to worry, it's original articles because we spun it. Okay, this makes it original. And again, you can start to post it with the category, and you'll start to get tons and tons of traffic. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed learning this incredibly powerful method. If you did and you want me to make more videos just like this, click the like button below. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're always notified of my weekly videos. And last but not least, this free traffic method works only if you have a high converting affiliate system or funnel in place that you're sending the traffic to. If you want to discover my #1 affiliate program that I personally use myself to generate tons of commissions even while I'm sleeping, click the first link under this video and you'll get access to a free video where you can check out more information. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.